Hello my little freedom-loving monkeys. So today I'm going to play the number nerd by giving you some hard stats about why you should be using vertical format video for your e-commerce business. So, what better way to present these stats to you than through the medium that we're talking about? You have my word, I will never subject you to PowerPoint slides on this channel. The following video with these powerful stats was recently shot for a client that sells beds and bedding. Enjoy. So hopefully that helps frame for you just how powerful this medium can be and explain why vertical video is seemingly everywhere now. However, while all these stats are impressive and exciting for e-commerce business owners who take advantage of vertical video, do keep the following in mind. Attention spans are lower with people viewing vertically due to the platform that they're viewing on, which is typically social media on a phone. So this means that people tend to scroll away much faster with a simple thumb flick. So, keep your content quick and punchy. If you found this video helpful, please do help make it possible for me to keep these tips coming by liking, sharing, and of course, subscribing. Thank you.